So as you noted, it says network discovery is turned off. So you come into this place. So if yours is turned on, you would actually see PC1. So I'm going to go back into this space and ensure that network and file sharing is turned on. So this is very important. So wait for this to load. So do bear with me, this computer is quite slow. Okay, so instead of waiting for that, I've clicked into this space to turn on file sharing. So hopefully this is faster than opening the actual interface. So you choose this option. So this is only if your what I'm doing here is only if your network discovery is turned off. That's the only time that you need to turn on network discovery. So it has also opened up in here. So let's see. So it's not responding from this end, but let's see if it does respond from this particular side. Okay, so it's responding from here. Let's close that. So you notice you can see PC1, right? Now double click on PC1. You want to go in and check for our folder called collaborations before we map the folder. So you notice that this folder is visible. Now the next thing we want to do is to actually share the folder. So while this is clicked, you can click on this tab called share. But in actual fact, we don't need to do that. So whenever you're going through this process for these assignments, just be patient with this particular interface. So instead of clicking here, which you won't get what we want, we need to map this particular folder to drive M according to the question here. You need to map it. So right click on this folder. Remember it's shared already, so you don't need desktop. Right click on this folder. So you can see how slow it is. And look for the option that says map network drive. map network drive. Remember, right click on this folder and choose the option that says map network drive. We're going to map it to the drive M. So select the drop down and choose drive M. So this is a folder. It says connect using different credentials. We're going to leave that. Reconnect at sign in. So this is all you need to do, and click finish. So once you click finish, you notice it has opened another folder for us. So you're looking at the collaborations. Inside the collaborations folder mapped to drive M on PC2. Okay, so if you really want to see it, click on this PC. This PC, and when you come into this place, you can see our collaborations, our folder mapped to drive M on PC2. So this is how you map the collaborated folder. So if you open it, you can also see that there's nothing in here right now. Okay, so just to show you that whatever it is that is shared on PC1 will be seen in here. Let's go back to PC1. So I'm going to open PC1 and go into the shared folder on our drive E. So let's go into the collaborations folder. This is just to show you that it works. What we've done works. So I'm going to create a new folder called Sinus here. This is not part of the assignment, but I just want to show you that it works. So this folder is called Sinus. We've created it. This is on PC1, right? Now let me minimize PC1. Now let's go back to PC2, the drive M on PC2. Double click on it. Now you can see your Sinus folder that was just created in the user data drive on PC1. So this is how you map a drive over two connected computers.